Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. This is a Dogecoin update for you. We're looking good, man. Doge is killing it right now, up to 54 cents and climbing. Great stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to be bringing you looking at the latest information of why we're climbing, what's going on. We're going to take a look at a couple different pieces of news and talk about the overall trend. This is awesome stuff. You guys know I'm a huge fan. I'm part of the Doge army. I'm extremely bullish on Dogecoin. And from where we were at 2 or 3 days ago, it's been crazy to see kind of the meteoric comeback and rise. And I think $1 is going to be soon here, and frankly, probably soon thereafter in our rearview mirror, and we'll be on our way to $2+ and moving on. That's kind of what I see. So with all that said, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm Austin. I'm here for you to help you navigate these waters. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel because I'm here bringing you this content, and I'm here making a community because I want us all to succeed in crypto and stocks and all that kind of stuff. And drop a like if you get value. With that said, let's go do it. Oh, sorry, before we do that, if in the comments below, guys, if there's anybody who's using my image and trying to get you to go click on a WhatsApp thing or contact them on WhatsApp, or if it's my image, saying this, go use this broker over here, that is not me. Those are scammers. It's a function of my success as far as the channel goes. My channel's grown overnight, and those guys are starting to put comments in down there. And also, I can't do anything to delete them. I wish YouTube had a way to do that. I can't stop them, so ignore them. And I'm not going to ask you to contact me on WhatsApp, and I'm not going to tell you that I like this broker or that, or contact this person. Those are scammers. Let's get started. Just wanted you guys to know that's your public service announcement, right? Let's go take a look at Doge. Here we go. So as I mentioned, we're absolutely crushing it. 54 cents, bounce back up. We're up 29%. We're up 12 cents today. The last 24 hours, you can see from the chart. Remember, the red line is our 20-day moving average. The purple line is our 50-day moving average. You can see we bounced down below, down to a low of 38 cents, and we've absolutely come back from that. That was only 3 days ago, but look at the meteoric rise back from that, back from 38 cents all the way back up to 54 cents and climbing. Unequivocally, this is because of a lot of major things moving development, right? We got Elon coming out saying they're not going to take Bitcoin anymore. Most likely Elon will basically be making an official announcement in sometime in the near future that you can use Dogecoin to buy Teslas, things of that nature. He has come out, and I'll just show you. Elon has come out with a couple more tweets. Right here, this one, working with Doge devs to improve system transactions efficiency, potentially promising. I love that he's doing that. Okay, and then also he came out and said, to be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. Okay, so those are some things that he's come out and said. Okay, oh, I love this. As always, don't panic. That's pretty cool. I actually didn't see that picture whenever I was looking, and I saw these two, and I'm like, cool, but that's awesome. That can be, this is multi-layered. Like, hey, if you're in crypto, if you're in Doge, don't panic, right? And also just overall kind of life in general. All right, so back over to where we're at here. So we've got all these major developments, right? And then you also look at this latest development right here, where crypto exchange Coinbase said it would offer Dogecoin support in the next 6 to 8 weeks. If you're outsider looking in, why should you care? Why is this a big deal? And I'm going to tell you right here. Meanwhile, crypto exchange Coinbase said it would Thursday would offer support next 6 to 8 weeks. That's your time frame. Many crypto traders have flocked to the zero-fee investing app Robinhood to trade. Now, Coinbase's move could lead to more trading activity, right? So the fact that Coinbase is going to layer that in, that support, so that you can trade Dogecoin on their platform, is going to lead to more support. This is an article talking about that Elon Musk tweet right here, where he's talking about improving transaction efficiencies. So that's where that is. It's over on Yahoo Finance if you want to go take a look at it, where he's talking about that they're working with Doge to help improve system transaction efficiency. Why do you care? You care because this is another telecasting scenario that Elon is doing related to making Dogecoin more more efficient, things like that, and ultimately setting it up to be a much bigger, profound crypto out there related to kind of overall use, utility, right? And just to help it be better, okay? And so I think that this is an important scenario that you see developing. This is almost like a slowly evolving plot that where if you're watching a movie, it's just evolving, it's just evolving, it's evolving. It kind of started with right here, the tweet that was a while ago where not a while ago, it was literally 4 days ago, where he tweets out, do you want us to accept Doge? And then Elon comes out and talks about the fact that they're no longer going to take Bitcoin because of the fossil fuel, the impact on the environment. You've got him coming out with another tweet the next day showing this one talking about Bitcoin electricity consumption. And then you've got the evolving tweets that come out that says working, and again, this would have been yesterday, working with Doge devs to improve the transaction efficiencies. Then he comes back out and says, hey, to be clear, I still believe in crypto, because his impact, his statement on the overall Bitcoin scenario absolutely decimated crypto for a little bit. Everything dropped like a rock. If you look at what's going on now, here's Doge right at 54 cents, 70 billion. Let me refresh, show you what we got here. It's refreshing thinking about it. So just dropped a smidge. Use that in a sentence today. 69.76 billion. But my point to you is, look at this column right here, the 24-hour column, and look at really what I want you to focus on is all of the green. Look at the green. So Bitcoin coming back from a pretty significant drop. Ethereum coming back. Everything up, but 2%, 8%, up 28%, that's Doge. Polkadot up 11, XRP up, Bitcoin Cash, Uniswap, Litecoin up 5%, Chainlink up, Ethereum Classic up 19% in the last 24 hours, and so forth and so on, right? You can just see the overall green. My point to you is that crypto is moving forward. The overall market condition extremely well, doing very well right now. I think partly being led by what's evolving and changing and being discussed as it relates to Elon and Doge and the press factor associated with crypto. Because I'm going to bring you back to three things I always talk about in every single one of my Dogecoin videos. But you could apply some of these to overall crypto as well. So here's the three reasons I love Doge. Number one, we have the Doge army. We have the community, the massive community built around it. We are a rabid community. I use the word rabid in a positive way. We are emotionally invested. We are financially invested. We buy, we hold longer, we buy more. You've got more and more people coming in every day because of the press factor, the celebrity factor. The celebrity factor, you've got Elon, you got Mark Cuban, Gene Simmons with Kiss, and probably more that may have come out that I don't even know of right at this minute. And these people talk. It gets picked up by the major media. The major media goes out there and drives and brings more retail people in, more people that come in and go, hey, what is this Dogecoin thing? And they buy in and they come in, right? So you've got the press/media scenario, and that is the engine that really is fueling every single thing else. I don't see that as much with other cryptos. I mean, yes, Bitcoin has the press factor, Ethereum to a lesser degree, but Dogecoin, ironically, is, I think, fundamentally driving a lot of the interest that's the overall cryptocurrency market is being driven by the interest in Doge, right? Doge has become the everyday man and everyday woman cryptocurrency. It's one that we, because of its price point, people can afford to get into it. I mean, if you look at the price point, we all know Bitcoin over 51,000, Ethereum is high at 4,100, etc. I own both of those, right? But my point to you is that that's evolving, and we've got a scenario where, because of that press factor, it's bringing more and more people into the fold, and they look at the price point of Doge at 53 cents and they're like, hey man, I can afford to do $100 or $200 or $500 or whatever it is and put that into that scenario. Yes, it's a meme crypto, which I think, ironically, I would hope that it would continue to kind of drop that meme thing, although that's not a bad thing anymore. There's people out there who would say it is, but it's becoming credible, even more so. I already believe it's credible. My point to you is about perception out there, okay? And all of that is evolving, I think, to wrap around and change the overall perception in crypto in general, okay? I think that's happening. So the third reason that I love Doge is the fact that it is continuing to evolve as a utility as a currency, as an asset that people will at some point start to use more and more in their daily lives. Think about this: if you could do, on this phone, right? If you could use, Doge to on Apple Pay, boom, to buy goods and services, things of that nature. We're in the infancy stage of that right now, as it relates to kind of that asset. Yeah, yes, I know that people are using other crypto, for transactions and things like that. But my point is, I think that Doge very, 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 very possibly could evolve as kind of one of the top ones that people use to buy goods and services. I've said this in almost all my videos. What happens if Amazon comes out and says, hey, we're going to accept Doge? That's a possibility. Yes, I know there's rumors out there that Amazon may make their own cryptocurrency, all that. I've heard all that. But my point to you is that we'll see how that plays out, okay? So this is your update. Lots of good stuff going on. I'll be back later today to bring you even more information on Doge. It's a good time right now. We're living. This is awesome. Okay. I'm going to say it. I love this. I love this crypto. I love other cryptocurrencies as well. I'm going to end on this note. Don't put every dollar you have into just Dogecoin. There's other cryptocurrencies out there. Put a little bit into Bitcoin. You don't have to spend 51,000. You can put 500 into Bitcoin if you want to, okay? Buy yourself some Bitcoin, buy yourself some Ethereum, and spread it around. Cardano's a great one. XRP, Litecoin is a really good one. Ethereum Classic is great. Some of these others are really good as well. I just haven't really gotten that too far into those, honestly. My point to you is, if you're going to do crypto investing, spread your risk. Move it around. Put some money. Don't just put it all into Doge. Buy yourself a little bit of Shiba. Okay, Shiba coin. Why not? Okay, don't bet the kids' college fund. Don't use your rent money. Don't use your mortgage payment. But spread your risk across the cryptocurrency market. Also, if you haven't already done so, buy yourself some stocks. Go buy some Apple. Go buy some Tesla. Go buy some EV stocks. Go buy some AT&T, Verizon, whatever it may be. Put a little bit of money in ETFs. Get yourself, my opinion, some of the best ones out there are Kathy Wood and her ARK ETFs. All of those, spread your risk, not just be in crypto. Spread it into other markets as well, okay? All right, I got to go. As always, go make some money. Protect yourself. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Bye.